Yo, it's your boy Jish, and today we're looking at the Insta 360 1R. So let's get this box open and see what's inside. Satisfying. So straight from the box you can see the modular design. Each module has its own part to play. Now after a quick firmware update you are ready to go. And at the time of filming this video they're offering a free extra battery. You can see how easy it is to change lenses over. And once it's all snapped together you've got yourself your camera. Now let's head out into the countryside and see what this camera is made of. So in basic terms, this camera, it's actual witchcraft. In this shot right here, the camera is actually attached to the bike. Now tell me, can you see where it's mounted? It uses some crazy software to delete the stick that holds the camera. I don't know how it works, but it is just a bit nuts. It means you can capture new perspectives that you've never been able to before with such cameras. So let's get moving and you can see for yourself how this camera works. So not only does it capture these crazy angles, it is super smooth as well. It uses technology called flow state, where it takes out all the shake digitally. And you'd think with such technology it would be difficult to edit, but this is where you're wrong. You can do this through your phone. The 1R app is really simple and easy to use. Once you've got the hang of it and found your way around, you can be making videos like a pro in no time. As you can see, I've tried to get creative with my shots, giving me an almost side-on profile view. What the hell? I mean, what the actual hell? So moving on to the 4K wide-angle lens, this thing again works amazingly well. It's super smooth, super stable, and just seems to capture everything in such detail. The one bit of criticism I do have with this camera is the colours they choose in the standard colour profiles. If you're like me and like to edit your colours and adjust them to your style and your thing, then I'd recommend shooting in log mode. To me, the greens are just a little bit too vibrant and acidic, but that's just my own personal preference. Anyway, rather than just taking my word for it, here are a few of my pals who also own this camera and have put it to some good use. Enjoy.
I'm a one to one, I can never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one to one, I can never be you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single like, oh he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the front and I get the back. Lil Uzi the facts like that's a rack. Bought some new boots just to wear 'em out. Bought a new Beamer, I run it to the ground. I used to say nothing, I bet they hear me now. Ain't no my business, no need to hear me out. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than a check, say less. If you can say it best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than a check, say less. If you can say it best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Little me tools, no I can't be fooled. Little me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one.
Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any questions, let me know down below. As said at the start of this video, they're offering a free extra battery with every purchase of the Twin Edition. I've left all the links down below for you to check out. They are affiliated links and they do help this channel out, so please be sure to check them out. Subscribe if you're new, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.
Put your homies out for ransom.